forgot to mention, you guys probably see my new facial hairdo. Let me know what you guys feel about it. You fucking with it? You respect it? Or it's kind of like, for some reason she likes it more. Like when I did just a mustache, I looked like a state trooper or whatever, and she wasn't fucking with it. I literally just fucked around with it. I was like, all right, let me do this and let me show her. She actually liked it. Let me know if you guys think this is a vibe. I look like a pirate kind of ordeal, or I just look fucking old and I should not do it.
You don't look old.
Yeah. Bring longboard just so we have extra adventures just in case. Boom! Hash brown. Boom! Biscuits and gravy. Boom! Sailor breeze, right?
Sailor breeze!
Sailor breeze!
That's how she said it.
But yeah, strawberry lemonade recharger. You know we gotta do our little Wawa stop. Weather, a good time, a little bit of exercise, get us moving and motivated. Look at this lovely strip, guys. Quite a sketch. Maybe could have chose a little bit better spot, but we'll get out. It'll be alright. Been on worse inclines and shit. So lovely over there. This beautiful scenery. Not looking too shabby. Ooh. Your boy might have to get shirtless soon.
Right, get that tan though.
I do need one, but alright, let's go. I'm gonna be giving her the easier one. TSX looking good right there. It'd be nice to take a picture kind of like right there, but it's like something I have to be really quick about. Hop out, take a pic, run back in, you know. So we're just gonna turn around now. We didn't go too far. It's just once the road starts getting a bit bumpier, it's kind of less enjoyable, and then like your feet start getting a little bit more numb. Smoother road is a lot nicer for this. You start cruising and sailing along. We need to get ourselves some bikes so we can go biking for like 10 miles kind of thing, you know? Go this whole strip without a problem. Instead of longboarding, biking be so much easier and quicker, less effort. You guys can see right there, it's hard to tell, but there's a little hammerhead baby shark. Oh, it's right over there. It's right there. You guys will not be able to see. Something going on over there. It's active. Active out here. So we're just gonna take some pictures right here, pulled out right here. Just nice scenery in the back, sun hitting. Kind of did some things yesterday, like the half shaft. Here we have my half shaft, OEM seal, and bearing right here. Gonna drop it off. This place, I'll be having a lot of cool stuff, a lot of Hondas. I see posted up right across the street from my job. So here we are at ARH Automotive Performance Shop. Bunch of cool things. Right now they kind of got my wheel bearing shebang going on. It's always some fuck shit with my car. Yeah, half shaft bearing isn't, you know, like a wheel bearing. It's kind of more of a pain in the ass. Here we have it. It's not fucking spinning like crazy anymore. ARH Automotive. TSX looking good on camera, looking pretty decent. Washing the car, re-bleeding the clutch, doing little things. Nothing crazy, you know. Car pulls better, smoother. So not too bad. I'm doing a little bit of pulls now because it definitely got some mileage on it. I'm not too worried, but definitely feeling better. I definitely have to mess with some engagement, but I do need a reflash to make everything so much better. It's so hot with the windows up. Wheel bearing towel. Fix some like wheel bearings or something, because you can really hear things like howling up.
Yeah.
A little bit less, but it was a lot louder because there's like 2-3 things at once. At first, the second is like so trash. Back at the cribbo, we're just gonna try to get into doing some things, try to wash the white TSX a little bit, get a little bit of water onto there because I gotta get it less dusty. Then we gotta try to cover it all up, get it masked off like proper, and then we could be able to get on its way again and get back into it, because like this whole clutch job thing kind of got in the way and lost focus, and now we gotta refocus into getting back and cleaning that shit up. What I'm doing right now is I got this steam kit from Harbor Freight. It was like 150 bucks. Honestly, I don't know how this is gonna work. I don't know how it works. I mean, you just turn it on and then you just gotta wait for it to heat up a bit. I don't know how long, to be honest. Like, instructions were kind of vague with that part. I'm trying to remove this rear window tint, see if it comes off, cause ow, fuck, ow, ow, slice my fucking head off. Zoom in. But yeah, this rear window tint, you guys probably see it a little bit from here. In the sun, it looks a lot worse. You can see like this ashy fadedness, but you can see like this little section is kind of out all right here because I kind of thought they were a razor blade. I honestly, I don't, at this point, I know I destroyed the defroster, scraped some of that shit off and whatever. I don't care, dude. It's so annoying having this in my rear window. It looks so ugly. It's such a pain in the dick to try to get it off. I was using acetone and it removes like the haziness glue part, but the tint part is still on there. I'm gonna see if that steamer does anything. I feel heat. Yes, I still have this plastic on because it doesn't seem like you could put it on anyway if you take it off, because it seems like they put it on before like the handle or something. So you never know if your boy got to return the shit. Make it as proper as possible. Even though they probably don't care. You basically could return anything between like the 90-day window or whatever the hell it is. Seems like it's hot enough. I let it sit for a little while. See if this pumps out anything. Just fall in here. So guys, I am destroying my rear window because there's like no other option. The steam cleaner is not really doing much. Kind of just helps make it a little easier, but I am destroying the defroster. I don't care. This is gonna have to get replaced down the line eventually or something. This is kind of like the only way that I'll be able to do this, to be able to clean it up and then finally eventually get this damn thing tinted. So pain. So guys, this has been quite the awful time. You could see that the cutoff line's right there of where I can't reach anymore. So there's like a little bit of haziness film still on there, and your boy cannot reach in there. I need new blades. All these are kind of like bent from me using my fingers. Fingertips hurt, but at least I got the majority off because I literally just had like this one part, you know, section done, and then I had to like do other things and focus on the clutch. So it looked so bad. At least I got that done, so not only the shitty part would be the bottom, not the whole fucking window. But yeah, I need new blades so it makes it easier. The steamer, meh. It worked, meh. I might just use it to like clean the seats right quick. Just use it real quick on a couple things and then return it. I honestly don't have use for it. It's not that great. It's crazy how I didn't realize this sooner. Like this could be used for that and that. I just had the plastic ones on. It definitely helps to get down in there. If I had straighter, newer blades, it'd work a little bit better. It definitely helps, but newer blades will make it so much easier. So I might just hold off on this. On to the next.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off, rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.